Hi, welcome to DY India Tech. Today we are going to look Tomcat hardening controls, which is very important for every application servers. Before that, if you are new my channel, so keep subscribe my channels for latest content. Let me begin. So as you know, Tomcat is a most popular application servers which is serving the JSP pages. So today we are look some controls of applications Tomcat servers. So today we cover 5 security controls. First is starting Tomcat with security managers, remove server banners, add secure and HTTP only flag to cookies, replace default page like error pages 404, 403, 501, 502, 500. And last, we can change the shutdown port. So let me begin. So first point is start Tomcat with the security managers. Security managers protect you from a untrusted applet running in your browser. So it is a good for if you're running your applications Tomcat servers with the flag of securities. So it is a good for in terms of security controls. So let me increase my font size so you can able to view my screen. So now I increase my font size and I have done the installations of Tomcat, so which is already running. Let me try to access. So let me check the logs first. So this is today's date. Let me try to access my website. So now is accessible. So how you will start your Tomcat servers with security flags? So it is a quite simple thing. Just let me stop my service. The command is scale -9, or we can shut down this proper minus. So we can use the script of Tomcat. So shutdown.sh if you run, then your Tomcat will stops properly. So I just run the script. Let me check. So now see is my Tomcat is not running. So see my page is also is going down. So let me start with security parameters. So simply you have to just run this command. Simply you have to use your startup script and use hyphen security. So now see this is started. Let me check the process. Process is also is running. Let me check the website. So now my website is loading. Okay. Let me move the next point. So it is good for if you're using this hyphen security. So it protect your untrusted browsers. Let me move on next point. Next point, we need to remove the banners. So whenever we are trying to access our website or like any website, then we able to identify what are the application is using. So let me see. So we have to go configurations, .xml. So I've added this line. Let me remove that. Again, let me set down because I want to show you how is showing that. So if you want to check your servers, whether the server signature is what what signature is set. So once you open your website, you have just go on the developer tools. Once you reach on developer tools, you have to click on network. Then you have to click your first pages base URLs. So I'm just clicking on that my base URLs. So here is showing some headers. So let me set. If you see here is no servers is showing. Okay. So let me check. And also we can check in command line also. So we have to just run this command. The command would be like your application server's IP address and then port numbers. So I'm just putting here. So currently it's not showing like servers. Okay. But if we want to set like server banners, so we can set that. So let me set. So this is the main configuration server.xml. You have to reach out in their file and just check your connector port. After connector port, you have to just enter your or just set your server's parameters. So this is a parameters which we want to use. So you can put a blank or you can use any keyword. So let me check UI India Tech. So I'm just putting my channel's name. So let me see whether it's showing. It is not showing because whenever we make any changes in this server.xml, we have to restart applications, then the is get reflected. So I just stop and start. Let me try showing connection request because it's taking time to boot up the service. So now earlier is like is not showing. So now it's showing Diva India Tech. You can write any keyword of your service. Okay. So here is also not showing. Let me refresh it. Once you refresh, you have to click on the first URLs and then you can see this service. In the row headers, you can check out that server is Diva India Tech. Okay. So this also need to be set or this remove the server banners because it is very critical if anyone can identify what applications technology are using. It is easily to breach security controls. Let me move the next ones. Replace default error pages. Okay. So in there, like when we install this Tomcat and try to anything like it is showing like this code because I just run random any keywords, so it's showing 404 because that page is not available. And from here we can identify that this securities breaches. So here I'm very much clear, like it's showing like your Apache Tomcat versions 11.2. So it is clearly showing, so it is a big security breaches. So to avoid this kind of issues and all, we have to set a custom pages. So for custom pages, for that we have to create a custom page first. So let me move on this my war files. So once you have to create inside your war files directories. So in the Tomcat is the default root was. So inside I've just created that files called error.jsp. So I've just created for this error.jsp. It is quite simple. Use headers. Then here you have to put a message. That message you want to display. Okay. Once you created these files, now we have to once we added these files contain. Okay. Now just we have created the files, so that file need to be used. So to read that files, we have to add entry in this files web.xmls. So you have to come in the files reach in below descriptions. So I'm just putting this three contains three code. So first of all, this is error page. Error code is if we are getting 404, then it load this error JSP. If we get 500, then again load the same JSP. If we get 403, then again load is same JSP. So you can create a multiple JSP according to if you want to display this custom error, and then you can map multiple files or you can map a single file for all the error code. So just I just copy paste inside. Let me try whether it's working or not. Okay, now it's working. So see, earlier is showing like that some versions and all. DUI and so if you type any keyword, it's showing like whatever the custom message we set that able to see. So this is very good and very much importance which we can control our sensitive information. Let me move on next point, which is secure and HTTP flag to cookies. It is possible to steal or manipulate web application sessions and cookies without having a secure cookies. It flags which is injected in the response header. This is done by adding below line in the session's config sections of the server.xml. So let me put this. Before that, let me check the headers. So it is showing like this. XMLs. So this is also, let me put in the last. Let me try to access my main pages. So this is parameters we can use for set secure HTTP flags. Let me move on next point, which is shutdown port. That also need to be changed because if we are using a default shutdown port, it may display the contents. So let me check my first port numbers. So here is my shutdown port is 8005. Let me do a telnet. And let me put the IP address. So telnet command is not there. So nc hyphen v check. nc command is also not there. So it's showing connection refused. Let me try to localhost. So now it's showing like this. And this connected. So to change a default shutdown port, this files is server.xml. Inside you have to check that shutdown port. So let me change it 8, and here let me put something else. So I'm setting some another keyword. Let me Let me stop this first. And let me start. So now see my port shutdown port is get changed. So it's showing connection refused because that port is not listen because I make changed. So now see like this you can change your shutdown port. So that's it for today. We have completed 5 points. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channels and like the video and share this with your friend and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.